Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the client portal, which is the web platform. Before you can trade Bitcoin, you need to request cryptocurrency trading permissions. Click the user menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like a head and shoulders. From the drop-down, select Settings, then Trading Permissions. You'll see a panel showing your current permissions. Under the cryptocurrency section, click Add or Edit. This opens the crypto provider's customer agreement. You'll need to review the legal documents, click each link to open them, then type your name in the Sign Here box at the bottom. Click Continue. You'll need to sign multiple agreements this way, so repeat the process for each one that appears. Once you've signed everything, the permissions request goes through for approval. This typically takes less than 24 hours, usually overnight. You'll get confirmation once it's approved. After approval, log into the client portal. In the search bar at the top, type BTC, that's Interactive Brokers ticker symbol for Bitcoin. The price panel will update to show Bitcoin's current price. Click the Buy button to open the order ticket. In the order entry fields, enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy and select your order type, market, or limit. If you choose limit, you'll also need to enter your price. The order preview will show you the estimated total cost and fees. Review the details carefully. Interactive Brokers charges between 0.12% and 0.18% of the trade value, with a $1.75 minimum per order. Once you're happy with everything, click the Submit button to place your order. When the order fills, Bitcoin will appear in your account balance. You can hold it there or transfer it to an external wallet later. Interactive Brokers also supports in-kind crypto transfers, so if you have Bitcoin in another wallet, you can move it into your ibkr account. One more thing on fees: while the percentage varies, they're capped at 1% of the trade value, so larger purchases won't get hit with excessive charges. If you have crypto basic permissions, you can trade from Sunday, 3 a.m. to Friday, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Crypto Plus users get 24/7 trading. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful.